Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do a quick review of the garden cultivator, grass cultivator from Corona. This is a disc cultivator, as you can see. This is used to soften up the dirt or to get weeds out of tough spots. So I just wanted to do this video to show you guys coming fall, spring, if you ever need to get your grass or dirt or weeds out in between tough spaces, this is the utensil you need. But first, make sure you guys hit subscribe and that like button so you can check out any future videos that we have, and also check out the Suncast garden hose cart video I did that show you how to connect your garden hose. But on with this review, we're going to zoom in real quick. Here's the instructions. And here is the 3 discs right here. These are removable. As you see, it has 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. According to the instructions, you can use it 3 ways. 1, 2, and you can use even a single. So that's just what these are for right here. So I have a tough area over here along the water hose. Seems like it's starting to fade out compared to the rest of the lawn. And you also have a spot here at the gate where the rabbits and things have come under the gate and kind of made a traction there. So we're going to definitely use that to get the yard looking back like this. So as we pick it up, here's the handle. Has a nice grip on it. They also have another product similar to this that just only has an extension. That's the only difference of this. I've checked them out both. Right here, here's the label, Corona. And we zoom in again. Be careful, these things are very sharp. Right there, 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna go over real quick and show you guys how this thing is used. So you see right there, all you have to do is go over it. Of course, remove this, but for the purpose of this video, just give you a quick demonstration. So this is just a small area. Did not want to go too heavy into this area, but as you can see, just by going into it right in there, it pulls up the grass, so you can go ahead and put grass seeds down. Again, that's why you want to remove these, because you don't want to destroy the grass right here on the left side. So like if I just want to use the one to the left or the one in the middle here, then I would just remove them by switching this lever right here. So we also have another area, I said right here. This area right here will have to be all redone. I'm in the shade now, but see, the more power pushed down on it, the more it comes up. And it comes up because it's so sharp. See how it's making that traction right here? So you definitely got to be careful. Here's another area I started in right here. And all that up in there. Dig deep down in there and you put your grass seeds, and then you go over it again and then you water it. So just want to give you guys a first impression of this grass cultivator by Corona. So make sure you guys have any questions. I'll put some links in the description where you can get these, and make sure you check out the other garden videos that we have on the channel, as well as the other tech review on this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.